Our vision in the College of Engineering comes straight from our late Chancellor, Dr. Herbert Wigwe, who wanted to see the college and the university as a prime mover for socioeconomic development in Africa. What sets the College of Engineering at Wigwe University apart from other universities in Nigeria are 5 factors. One is its international orientation. Second is state-of-the-art education we will be providing. Number 3 is world-class faculty. Number 4 is ultra-modern infrastructure. And 5 is its unique vision. Our degrees will also be accredited by ABET, the Accreditation Board for Engineering and Technology, which is an international body based in the United States. Accredited degrees by ABET will allow our students to go for graduate studies in any university in the world and also to work anywhere in the world in the industry. We are already partnering with a number of distinguished universities around the world, including the Ivy League in the United States. The students will actually be benefiting by traveling abroad, but also by having options of joint degrees with foreign universities. That is 3+1 and 4+1 degrees. That is, they spend 3 or 4 years at Wigwe and then they do the final year at international universities. All our classrooms will have those very new holographic telepresence screens in which faculty from other universities will be teaching our students as if they were in classroom. And then our learning management system, the LMS, will be AI enhanced. My dream for our graduates is to continue their studies at Harvard, MIT, Cambridge, Imperial, and the great international universities, and advertise Wigwe University through that. My dream is for them also to start their own companies here in Nigeria or in Africa to run future Nigeria. In short, I would like the next Dr. Herbert Wigwe to be a graduate from Wigwe University College of Engineering.